There are several weight loss guides storming the markets today. Some are true to their words while some are just a load of crap that has nothing to offer. The name Anti-Diet Solution clearly suggests that this program is not strictly based on dieting, rather it provides you with first-hand tutoring on how to eat and exercise in a healthy manner, and be fit for the rest of your existence. Yet, the principles and techniques of this program slightly defile the system of majority of the weight loss programs available today. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Anti-Diet Solution is a system that has been created by Anthony Alayon, a certified fitness trainer and also a huge contributor to the fitness magazine Natural Muscle magazine. Anthony has helped out a few known personalities like Carmine, Giardina and Tyrone Mckenzie in their training sessions. According to the University of Florida, Anthony has been a major icon in the health and fitness industry. Who is Anti-Diet Solution meant for? This program is meant for everyone looking to reduce their weight, eat healthy and take care of their body system. In addition, Anthony clearly made it known that this is not a miracle working guide that will give you a model's body under 5 minutes. The program contains dieting and exercise habits that are aimed at lasting for a lifetime, which if you honestly implement would end up being happy with your physique. However, the author says he plans not to make this a strictly based diet. Honestly, when it comes to losing weight, there is unfortunately no switch button to activate your body leanness and vice versa. According to scientists, there may be up to 100 fat genes, and for the individuals with FTO, fat genes, they may have a few more pounds extra than those without. This is okay if you fall in that category, as fat can be maintained but not totally eliminated. This program is the best option for people who have explored the dieting realm and are fed up of the empty promises that most weight loss guides promise. However, Anti-Diet Solution doesn't make you useless promises, it is sincere and tells you the honest and cold truth that you will have to put in effort and earn your desired body shape. Alongside the program you will receive 5 other ebooks that serves as a bonus package. Anti-Diet Solution is perfect for everyone and totally safe to use. However, it's not complex and doesn't require you to get a hold of exercise equipments or any other related stuff. As a result, the methods found in the ebook are easy to implement without stress and complications. Anti-Diet Solution is a system that helps body transformation and health issues. Click the link in the description below this video for details.